Hey guys, back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the 8 feet projector eyes skeleton from Morris Costumes, new for this year.
Yay!
Horrors! Now we got this from Halloween Outlet.
Yeah, go see Halloween Outlet. They're in Antioch, Pittsburgh, and Concord, California. Ken and Jen are the owners. They're really nice.
We're friends with them.
Yeah, really nice people. They have a lot of just mixed stuff. So we have been wanting to get this guy. You saw him. Let's see. His audio is one thing that really stood out. It's really, really loud. I remember like hearing him all the way across the store. So that is good. He does have.
Oh, he's got like a surround hat.
He does have an adjustment. Yep, that is from Flagship. I think he worn it once only.
Unboxing.
Yeah, we're trying to keep everything pretty much untouched in our bags there. Just for memories.
This might be hard to take out.
You want some help?
Yeah.
Hold on a second. Okay, so
alright, here's this box. Towering skeleton with projector eyes.
Projection eyes top, projection eyes bottom, eyes left, right, moving mouth, volume control, wired activation pad included. Huh.
Step pad, probably.
I like how they do that. Ages 14 and up. There was something the other day that was ages 15.
Exterminator.
Yeah. So,
alright.
let's see what's in his,
This is basically the one that was sold last year that had Digilabs that was sold at a Best Buy.
Oh, is it the exact same one?
Yeah, it's the exact same thing except with the projector eyes.
Oh, okay. Where's my... Do you want to use the box cutters on this guy?
I'll try to see. See there. I'll take the cut the tape. There.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need that on this side too. Alright.
Okay. This hat's making me hot.
Take it off.
Top of the morning to you, laddie.
Alright. So over here we have step pad. The plug-in
There's
adapter.
a step pad.
Huh. Look at this. And easy assembly and operation instructions. Let me see if I can get this open. Here's a couple. Another page of it too.
Where's the two?
I don't know. I guess, well, they couldn't fit it all on maybe one page.
Oh.
Alright. Just, I remember that because somebody asked if we can show the instructions and show them a little bit more slowly. And I haven't forgot the Mummy Crate instructions and storage. I'm sorry I have not gotten there to get those. Hopefully this week. Things have been kind of hectic now that Halloween's around the corner. It's like...
Alright, so you take out the base?
Yeah, how heavy is it? Oh, okay, that's not bad. Here is the base.
There's all his bones. Where we can find his head somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere. I wonder if it's... Oh, here it is. Of course, it's packed away safely. Let's see. Let's get him out easily.
Get the head out safely.
There we go. Here, you want to grab that from me? I don't want to...
Oh, it's hot.
Well, is it all hot in here? It's warm because it was outside. We had to put it in a pickup truck because the box was huge. So, I don't know. It's in the 90s here.
His wires.
His wires, his head.
Purple and white.
His projection eyes. Moving mouth.
Hello.
He's pretty cool.
I will be in the tall section of our yard haunt of Spirit Halloween Hangouts 2022 Halloween season.
Thank you, sir, for that info. So, yeah. This will be just, doesn't look like that'll be that hard, actually. There's, his upper body, torso, whatever you call it, bones. His feet are in here. Let's see. There's his, let's see, I always have to do this. Oops. Okay.
Feet.
There we go. Yeah.
Bigger than yours.
Yeah, a lot bigger. It's like a size, who knows, 12? Well, he's a 12-foot skeleton.
Well, he looks like a 12-foot skeleton.
Or he's 8 or 9 feet?
8 feet.
8 feet. Yeah, he seems taller than 8 feet, but so does Cackles. He seems taller than 12 feet.
Oh yeah, speaking of Cackles, do you want to go check out outside and show something?
Yeah, let's just finish this up. I guess that's it, because this is all just his, here's his hand.
Black foam.
Huh?
Black foam thing I saw earlier.
Where?
There.
There's an adapter. Oh, this is, you mean the pad, the step pad?
Oh.
Yeah, there's no, yeah. Yeah, so that's it. We're gonna get him up, and then, we had a delivery today of, oh, the sun is so bad. Cackles the clown arrived. Well,
yep.
He is here, and we are going to get him done tomorrow, I think.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, so that's it. We're gonna go ahead and get the skeleton guy done, and then we'll do Cackles tomorrow, and unboxing, and put him up tomorrow. I think that's it then for this video.
Alright.
Right?
Yep. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most of all, hit the notifications from the Ship Section and how many times we do. Bye-bye.
Bye.